my people, time don't reach again for Nobonga #1 Pidgin English Sports program with the call Sports Roundup on Top You Love TV. My name is Natemi Adeniji and I welcome you to this World Cup unusual edition of the program. I'm going to give you an update of the World Cup where they happen for Russia, different stories there for football matter we're going to hear about, and of course, I get guests inside studio where we go both they rub mind, they serve on all the plenty story as they hot. No go anywhere and they come back after this short break. When I welcome back from that very short break, of course, I tell you before say I know they're alone in the studio. By my side, I get my correct original sports assistant analyst today. Forever in the building. Good to see you.
Yes, so.
Thank you for being on the show. Welcome.
Thank you.
So today, me and you now going to serve these people the matter as a hot for football to read.
Exactly.
Yeah, we'll go start with some transfer news, rumor and gossip. And this first one, about Manchester United and Man City, where they battle to sign Kylian Mbappe from PSG, the 19-year-old player. Even though Real Madrid also took hand for the matter, say themselves get interest for a matter, but I want to ask you, what do you think say this guy decision will be? Because now loaning they currently for PSG, so he can decide whether he would like to remain for that place or he won't move ahead. What do you think?
To be very sincere, the best, I don't think say Man you supposed to sign Mbappe because they get Lukaku.
Okay.
So if you want to sign Mbappe, what do you mean say Mourinho wants say Mbappe could be assistant striker? And for somebody when you could buy like £169 million, you know if you keep her for bench, how much be the bench when he wants to sit down? When you can't keep 169 million for bench.
You know.
Real Madrid, you sign Mbappe problem there because Cristiano Ronaldo.
Of course.
Now Ronaldo for the past few years not they play wing again. Gradually don't they become central striker. So you want bench Ronaldo give Mbappe or you want bench. You know be 169 million fees and buy the whole of Ebonyi State. So if you use 169 million, you can't keep 169 million for bench. Now, you know if you go back to the former club, Monaco, because PSG they big past Monaco. You don't taste the good life. You know if you go back. But PSG won't sell because if they not sell, they not fit buy because of financial fair play.
Okay.
So PSG they trouble because they buy Neymar 200 and how many million? Then Mbappe. So that's why they buy Mbappe on loan because they don't fit pay like two people money like that. So for me, I don't think say Man you need them. If you want to go club, now Man City because Pep Guardiola like young players and they find how to sell Aguero.
Okay. Okay, nice. We go just quickly. PSG also don't they try to entice Man U to get Pogba. They said they will use Verratti do Jara. If they buy Pogba with the money, they go add Verratti join. They get Pogba. But as for the reason I don't feel say Man U.
If I be Mourinho, that's the best deal of the century.
Oh, wow.
Because Pogba, a problem be like picking when they born for rich man house when not sabi do anything. So anything believes everything will come to. I find you sabi play, but not me say Pogba not like to do the simple things. Especially did they pass, he go one dribble.
Yeah.
Pogba the dribble goes, the dribble air, the dribble spirit. When suppose pass. Pogba be like Isco. If you pass the ball, chance to score. Isco will hold the ball one extra touch. That defender don't block that line. So if I'm Mourinho, make Pogba go, make Verratti come. You don't get better central midfielder. So you know, say you get extra money, get your money back, get good central midfielder. Verratti now one of the best central midfielders for Europe. So for me, it's a good deal. If it happen, make Pogba go.
Okay.
At least make Man rest. You don't do too much.
Okay. Okay. Nice one for now. But this now the much we will take for transfer news, rumor and gossip because of time. And of course, after this short break, at the comeback, we will enter the World Cup tournament to re-proper. No go anywhere at the comeback. When I welcome back from that very short break, and of course, now still the World Cup unusual of Sports Roundup on Top You Love TV. My name is Natemi Adeniji, and for studio with me forever, they here, and two of us the Savannah. So far so good. Different countries don't play their second matches, even some don't play their third matches. And from the groups, we know say some countries already jump and pass to go round of 16. For Group A, for instance, Russia and Uruguay don't go through, while of course Egypt and Saudi Arabia don't crash out. As according to somebody when they play that match, the person say they're supposed to play that match for tarmac. So that right there, you go from there, enter plane. Waka they go. And for Group B, of course, Spain and Portugal don't scale through.
Yeah.
Group C, France don't scale through as well.
Yeah.
Group D, Croatia don't scale through. While for Group E, we get Brazil, Switzerland with 4 points. Serbia get 3 points. Costa Rica gets 0 points. Of course, Costa Rica, they are hope of
No, Costa Rica don't scale through home.
Okay, they don't scale through
home.
Of course. So now the battle there be amongst Brazil, Switzerland, and Serbia. How you check them because the market still open one kind.
Yes, you know, say football not be mass. You know, say Indonesia say, if you do it like you do it, like you don't win.
But Nigeria we dey do mass well.
No, we dey do mass. Now make we not know them. Okay. So now you see Brazil. Brazil they play Serbia. Brazil get 4 points.
Yeah.
If you watch Brazil, Costa Rica, if you notice all the friendly matches when Brazil play against European oppositions, they're not to play well.
True.
Because South American will always defend against Brazil. Brazil will play with 3 central midfielders. So that's why this World Cup, if you notice, Coutinho can't play midfield. Normally they play from right side.
Yeah.
Now, so European opposition are a problem for Brazil. That is why if you notice Switzerland, they play 1-1. Costa Rica, CONCACAF, it be like South America, and I make them win 2-0. So this Serbia match, now do or die.
Tell you.
Because if Serbia win, Brazil go out.
Of course.
As all Switzerland need to go through, now just draw against Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Of course, Costa Rica get nothing to play for apart from pride. Here our fans will come, they're not shout goal. We never score since. So, the main issue now is Serbia, Brazil.
Okay.
If Serbia feel whole first half goalless, then you know how football be now. Not just one red card go spoil again, one throw in peg, you know the entire goal match just finish. Brazil don't go out. So that group see the very open for the 3 of them.
Group F also be like that, even though Mexico does scale through already, and of course Germany and Sweden get 3 points each. It just won't be like Group E where we
so that group South Korea will still qualify.
When they get 0 points?
Yes, because if South Korea, Germany get 3 points, Sweden get 3 points, South Korea gets 0 points, and Sweden they play Mexico. So if Mexico beat Sweden, Sweden get 3 points. If South Korea beat Germany, Germany get 3 points. So now go difference.
Okay.
So but the truth be saying now Sweden for their hand. You they lead 1-0, 1 man down, Boateng, you can't defend.
Okay.
Now the coach Joachim Low remove Hector, so that means for that field only 2 central, only 2 recognized defenders there. Why not bombard attack to score?
Okay, you know say village people they follow person go Russia.
My brother, the village person will go. Let me say it's a bit whole code because that group where based on experience, we expect Germany will go through.
Hopefully. And of course, it will make the thing still in sweet.
Yeah.
Most people, if you say are champions, nothing just crash out like that. Group G, this one don't they almost decided because England and Belgium don't they through with 6 points each. Tunisia and Panama 0 points. So.
That's not the easiest group for me. So for me, I still say England and Belgium never come World Cup. Now friendly they see they play.
I agree.
Because you check Tunisia. Tunisia try against England, but after that game, that was it.
Yeah.
So for me, England and Belgium won't play their first game for the World Cup because I think they score 6-1. To say Panama score 1 goal after they celebrate our first goal for World Cup.
Now, as in the don't matter too much. Okay, Group H, Japan, Senegal, 4 points each.
Yes.
While Colombia get 3 points. Poland, of course, I believe say they don't gather their load.
They don't reach us now. They don't reach us.
So Japan, Senegal, 4 points each, but still they open though because Colombia still get open.
All Japan and what if the other country name Senegal need to qualify now? Just draw your game.
They made a draw their
once you draw once Japan draw, a draw will get Japan through whether you be first or second. Senegal you draw Colombia 5 points.
5 points each.
Colombia 4 points.
Not be like
so but say Poland come beat Japan, then Colombia can draw. How do they call it? Senegal goal difference. Colombia day +2. So depending on the number of goals when Poland they beat. Because I like him because he gets 0 point, so you not going to try and make your fans at least get something to go home with. Yeah.
Okay, so that one is still open if you ask. Okay, so moving on now to the fixture of Thursday. Of course, as you talk, England and Belgium will play their first match against themselves. And of course, Southgate will be the coach of England. Not to say he would like to bench Harry Kane to keep him for the round of 16 since they already get ticket. Guarantee say that they go round of 16. But you feel say Kane go there happy with that one when did they pursue golden boot?
You know, say footballers, most especially say Kane a striker because even if you check Panama game, when Kane get the second penalty, they feel say he go allow John Stones play based on say John Stones dey on 2 goals to get a trick. But striker and striker, defender and defender, your job not to defend goal because say you score, not me say you want to win golden boot. So Harry Kane, he go vex am, but because he's a captain, the interest of the team now is to keep for heart more. Because whether you like them or not, they fancy their chance against Group H. Anybody when they play for that group, England believes they did quarterfinal already.
True.
If you check Russia against Uruguay, Golovin not play because he done a yellow card.
Yeah.
And one of the best midfielders. So there's no reason to come play Uruguay when even if you qualify top or second, now top team you go see play for Group B, either Spain or Portugal. So nobody easy. Just cook my rest.
True.
Make you play second round. So Harry Kane supposed to take him in good faith, but I don't think say make Gareth Southgate bench and even if na first half.
Make it
just try score. Based on say Lukaku they get injury doubt. So you not go out to a 4 goals. Ronaldo still dey 4.
True.
So this guy, even if na first half, just try score 1 goal. Okay. Make and sick, then come and we get Rashford never really play well, Jimmy Vardy never play well. Strikers there.
True.
So make others play.
Make them still shine too. Okay, Panama Tunisia game, of course, those ones.
No, that game na after party. Now be say, it may not be like say they not come the World Cup.
That it be like person when they play third place match. You know, say third place not the too sweet person, but because they must decide who carry third.
You know, say that thing will happen to them and be say, may not be like say we not come. We don't come. Be say we don't come. We you finish work before we.
When they always tell people to say if most countries get option, that this kind of match, so the last game when you know say you don't come out already, you fit just say I bet we not play.
Yeah, but for Panama, I think, you know, so as Panama qualify for World Cup, the day when they qualify, the president declared them as public holiday.
Yeah.
So if they win that game, which is this is their first World Cup, so they can't win that match now. They think go get to public holiday in 1 month. So now, that guy when score goal now, that first World Cup goal, they figure his name that public holiday.
Okay, not be lie.
Because when they say 0, they score 1 goal, everybody they jump. They don't expect to qualify. If they qualify from that group, now say Leicester don't win World Cup because now the same thing is that.
Not be lie. Okay, so of course the other game, Japan, Poland, Senegal, Colombia. Japan versus Poland, that one would be quite interesting if you ask me.
Yes, because Lewandowski won't score.
Exactly.
You know what makes sense? Lewandowski come World Cup,
you
not score.
One goal at all. Yeah, and then Senegal, Colombia, that one would be quite interesting.
My sister know like this. Senegal, just draw that game. You don't need to win. England not easy, Belgium not easy. Just draw the game.
Make them fight for winning. Then bad as bad, fall for draw.
My sister, that one they call James Rodriguez. Now one pass. One pass defense don't melt.
No be lie. So that one a game, of course, to look out for. Very interesting one because of the outcome where the two countries go they expect to get from that one. Yes, but as with the yarn right now, Serbia, Brazil they play, and of course Switzerland, Costa Rica they play. Serbia, Brazil match. Okay. Then of course the action still they go on. The outcome, all of us will see at the end of that game. And the Switzerland, Costa Rica, what do you think will come out of that one?
Switzerland go win because they know say there be group. How do they call them? Group E. They won't prevent not to play Germany because if Germany beats South Korea, say like 5-0, then Switzerland come beat. How do they call them? Sweden come beat Mexico.
Yeah.
The 3 of them be on 6 points, so now go different. Any which way, you find how to dodge Germany. So I want to make Germany top that group. Make Brazil be second. Make Brazil pay Germany back for 2014 World Cup.
Exactly. Because they're very interesting. Okay. So far so good. The competition they go on. Most people they try to strikers especially they try to shine their shine.
Yeah.
For your own part, who you look, say most likely go end up with this golden boot? Just 3 players where you tip for the golden boot.
Well, for me, number one, anywhere Cristiano Ronaldo did, so what expect goals.
Okay.
Even though say miss penalty against Iran, one of those games. They happen to every footballer and one of those games. We don't feel mention Messi because we don't know. Playing Belgium, I believe say Harry Kane will score because if you check against Tunisia, Harry Kane don't need to play where to score.
No,
his position is very perfect.
Right
the first goal against Tunisia na rebound. Second goal na rebound. So Harry Kane believes say anybody when he play for that round of 16, whether na Senegal, whether na Japan or whether na Colombia, he must score. I personally believe England will get to quarterfinal, but from there I don't know. So Harry Kane if he score, he never score 1 goal per game. So if he score like that, if he go score like 8 goals before quarterfinal, when I know see the goal come on. Harry Kane, Cristiano Ronaldo, then Lukaku.
Okay.
Because Spain fit come out of shock. I believe say Russia go shock. I expect shock for this World Cup since I never really shock. Because Spain not really they play well like that.
Yeah.
So if with the home support, everything, Russia, the moment we get to Spain, if we go met, then for so Diego Costa can go, even though they already get 4 goals.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Okay, my people, I believe say so far so good, and I don't enjoy this critical analysis from this special World Cup Unusual Sports Roundup on Top You Love TV. This not the much where we go fit given now because of time, and of course, as I always talk, plenty talk, no the full basket. My name is Temi Adeniji. Forever, I want to appreciate you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
I believe say my people enjoy your analysis very well. Yes, so until next time, Mona continue to the What You Love TV. Una be connect with us on all social media platforms at You Love TV on Twitter, at You Love_TV on Instagram, or follow me directly at Pwititem on Twitter and on Instagram. Until then, bye bye.